Hey guys, my name is Jason with Immense Networks, and this is a video demonstration of inDrop, which is our Dropbox client that we've been working on for a while now. So let me go ahead and get logged in under a test user and show you what this thing can do. So when you first log in, this is basically a bare dashboard. You're automatically going to have documents, pictures, and videos. These three folders are going to be made for you under the uploads category. Now the first thing to note is this gray box right here basically acts the same way as your Windows Explorer or your Finder in Mac, which means you can right click on them. So I can right click on documents and create a new category and name it whatever I want. Alternatively, I could right click it and rename it whatever. So now this category is considered a subcategory of documents, and I could just as easily left click on it and drag to videos to make it now a subcategory of videos. And you notice that the green check mark lets you know when you can actually let go. For instance, I can't move it over here into white space. If I let go, it doesn't do anything. When it's green, that means I can let go and it's going to go ahead and move there. So let's go ahead and try to upload something to this new category that I just made. I'm going to select the category, click upload, and I'm going to upload these 5 images right here by clicking on the first one and shift clicking on the last one. That'll select all 5 of them. Now it's going to upload those 5 images one at a time, and as they're done, you'll see them start to populate over here. Now by default, it's going to stick them into the root, which is the uploads category here. I can also click on the first one, shift click on the second one, just as in any Finder or Explorer application, and drag them all as a whole into, let's put this into my category here. So now they're in there. Again, I can rename them. Maybe this would be photo 1 instead of slide 1, and so on. Something quickly to point out down here at the bottom, I have extensions showing, but I could just as easily hide the extensions or re-enable them. The thumbnails that come with these images are an image thumbnail. Let me go in and upload this PDF document that I have right here, and you'll see how once that's done uploading, it'll automatically put that PDF icon next to that. And this will work for most file types that you'll be working with. So now, let's say I wanted to send slide number 5 right here to a friend. I can right click on it and select email file to link. I'm presented with this dialog. I can insert recipients, so let's just do it to myself for now, jcross@immense.net. I can stick in a personal message, download this file, and this last option gives me the ability to select the number of times this person can download the file. This is really good for security reasons. If you only want this link to be live for, let's say, 5 clicks, then once this person downloads it 5 times, that becomes null. It does not work anymore. If I were to add another person to this, each individual person would get 5 independent downloads, so they are separate from each other. Go ahead and take that off and not do that. So I'm going to click send. So that file's sent, and I should receive that in my inbox in just a second. There it is. So when I open that up, there's the link, download this file link, and it's hashed. And I can click on that to download and open it right up. So that's one way to share files, but another way, and a quicker way to share them within the company itself, is you notice the shared files area down here at the bottom, and there's a 2 next to it. If I click on that, Andrew is sharing 2 files with me. So to do this, let's say I wanted to share photo 3 right here with the test user account that we were using earlier. So I'd right click on it, go to properties, and you'd see share file with right here. I can share this with the test user, and anyone that I'm sharing it with will turn blue. I'm only going to share it with test user and update the file info, and it'll tell me up top that it's been updated. Let me log out and go into test user, and now there's a 1 under shared files, shared by me, and there it is right there. I can download that file. So that's how a typical user account would function. But let me go ahead and log out and log into my own account, which is an administrator account. And you'll see I have a couple more options up here, and I also have a drop down box right here. So I am a member of this particular company, Immense Networks, and this is everyone else within the company that has an account. So I can quickly jump. Let's jump back to that test user account that I was just using earlier. So I can see all the files that are within that account and do the same functions as if I'm that person. So let me jump back over to me. You'll see that I have the ability to create and edit users. So these are all the users for the company. I can also go to the company overview, and I am given some statistics on how much disk usage each person is using. I can go view the log of the activity to see what kind of files they're uploading, when they uploaded them, that sort of thing. I get to see an overall size of all these files combined together, because these plans, they sell by quantity. So down here at the bottom, you'll notice that all of the user accounts are listed down here, and there's all these sliders. So you can allocate a certain size to each user. So maybe certain users would need a little bit more space than other users. You have the ability to do that right here. So those are the basic features of an administrator account. And lastly, I'll show you up here at the top, no matter who you are, you have the My Account button, and you can go in and edit your username, your password, your name and email address, and only if you're an administrator will you have this drop-down box right here to change a user account from user to administrator. And you'd update that, and you're good to go. And that is inDrop, developed by Immense Networks. Thanks for watching.